Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the K sound. It's also known as the hard C sound. Can you make the K sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth just a little bit. Next, place the tip of your tongue behind your bottom teeth. Now, put the back part of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. Then, let out a quick puff of air. Try it with me. Are you ready? K. K. Now let's practice a few words with the K sound. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Cat. Kite. Broccoli. Sick. Rake. The K sound can be spelled with the letter C as in cat, K as in kite, CC as in broccoli, CK as in sick, or KE as in rake. Great job. Well done.